Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to move your taskbar to the left in Windows 11. If you find this useful for them, please consider subscribing and liking the video, so you just may be used to having your taskbar on the left and see you want it there. Or there may be. But let's get started. All you need to do is go and right-click on your taskbar in the blank space and click on Taskbar Settings. This will open up your personalization and taskbar settings, and all you need to do is go and scroll down, and you need to expand taskbar behave. And here at the top, you'll see the setting, taskbar alignment, and what you can do is go and click on it on the right, and there's the option for left to literally go and select left, and as you can see they all move over, and that's it. You've now moved it. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides just like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.